Today we are walking the Khao San Road area and looking at what this neighborhood offers beyond the bars, cheap accommodations and souvenir stalls, golden temples, lesser-known spots, food stops, and places that remind you that you're actually in Banglamphu, Bangkok's old town, full of character and history. Let's enjoy a day walk together. This is Bangkok, and this is a trailblazing adventures walking guide. We hear Khao San and we think party, laughing gas and cheap beer. I was in that crowd too. This time, we stayed a few days to see what the area is actually like, and we put together a one-day walking tour of the neighborhood. The area sits inside a simple triangle. The canal on the north side, Ratchanatdaram Avenue with the Democracy Monument to the south, and the Chao Phraya side on the west. Khao San Road is right in the middle, and that's the part that turns chaotic at night. The neighborhood around it isn't. Walk one block to Soi Rambutri and you get trees, small cafés, and a calmer, more welcoming pace. We plan our walk east to west. Started at Wat Chana Songkhram. Make this first stop in the morning. It's a functioning temple, and you'll often have the chance to sit for a moment and listen to the monks chanting and going through the morning rituals. Next is Wat Bowonniwet. It's one of the most important temples in this part of Bangkok, a royal monastery with a calm interior and a revered Sukhothai-era Buddha. Continue the walk through the back streets and canals that define old Bangkok. Take your time and explore. Bangkok rewards getting a little lost. We reach the busy Ratchanatdaram Avenue and the Democracy Monument, a landmark that has witnessed several pivotal moments in modern Thai politics. We keep moving south, a few blocks beyond what most people consider the Khao San area. This is the most expansive temple we'll visit on this walk. We pass the giant swing and reach the entrance of Wat Suthat. Wat Suthat was designed at the center of Bangkok in 1807 to be the most majestic of the period. Right at the entrance you have the main vihar. Walk through the side halls and admire the 156 Buddha images. Take your time and observe the small variations. And walk through the beautiful flower beds and pagodas. From here, continue to the Ubosot, the second major highlight of the temple. After Wat Suthat, We walk through the small park around Mahakan Fort and the intersection of the two canals, Rop Krung and Banglamphu. Don't miss the Phan Lilat Bridge. The arches are one of the better pieces of old Bangkok design. And if you need an afternoon coffee, the Jedi Cafe does solid iced lattes to keep the force with you for the rest of the walk. Next is one of my favorite temples, Wat Ratchanatdaram. Its architecture is unlike anything else in Bangkok, and the walk up through the levels of the metal castle is part of what makes this a unique experience. We follow the canal, a very typical Bangkok scene, to reach the last temple of the day and one of the city's landmarks, the Golden Mount. You climb about 300 steps, and at the top you are met by golden cherry and wide views of Bangkok, including some of the temples we visited earlier, now from above. After visiting the temple, you can walk down the soi leading to the entrance. There is usually a mix of street food stalls and a lively atmosphere. We headed back to the hotel on a pretty frantic tuk-tuk ride. We stayed at the teeny trendy Khao San. You can check our full review link in the description. And wrapped up the afternoon with a quick, very welcome dip in the pool. At dusk, Prasuman Fort Park gets great golden hour light. And just a few steps away, you can end the day with dinner at Chao Phraya, one of the best river views in the area. We hope you enjoy this walk through Khao San and Banglamphu. Here are more videos on Bangkok and Thailand. And as always, happy travels!